Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into Frontier credit card account. If you'd like to get access to your credit card account online quick and easy, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar at the top of the screen, type in Frontier credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. On the next page where all of your search results are displayed, click on the first link that says Frontier Airlines World Mastercard Travel Rewards. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page. Go and click on the login button in the top right hand corner, and once the login area pops up, type in your credit card information, that is your username, in the first text box and type in your password on the next box. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. If you want the system to remember your username, you can check this remember username box, but if you are using a public device or a shared mobile device, keep it unchecked before logging in. If you happen to forget your username or password, click on this forgot username or password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password or to look for your username. Finally, after you're done typing in your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click on the login button, and that is how you'll be able to log into your Frontier credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.